Eastern Textile Company is a prime producer of superior quality of carpet backing in the KSA and has marked its presence remarkably on the globe. The interior design is creativity. It is an art of decorating space to make it comfortable and pleasing to eye. Carpet is considered as a good choice for floor decoration, and it completely changed the look of the room. A good carpet depends on its construction, how good the backing is. Eastern Textile Company is a prestigious name for carpet backing manufacturing in KSA. A good carpet backing gives neat shape, stability and protection to the carpet. Etex produced primary carpet backing, secondary carpet backing and grass yarn. The primary backing has 3 variants to its range: prime back, straight mat and anti-static. The prime back backing fabric is woven with polypropylene yarn for better strength to provide excellent stability to the carpet. Our prime back straight mat is redesigned and re-engineered to provide a solution to the bow and skew. Etex straight mat primary backing is a solution to this kind of tuft-in carpets of heavy design. In addition, our primary carpet backing anti-static to the standard construction of 110 by 10 centimeters. The required anti-static properties are obtained by process of anti-static stainless steel yarn paralleled every 2 centimeters. The anti-static backing is ideal for hospitals, R&D and computer rooms. It has strong selvage property. Etex produce Power back standard backing fabric is woven with polypropylene yarn, incorporating DRF yarn and texturized CF yarn. Power back premium backing fabric is woven of polypropylene yarn, incorporating DRF yarn and well known for its strength and adhesive qualities. Etex produce high-quality grass yarn. Etex is a complete solution of carpet backing. Etex manufacturing facility is spread in vast area. And the combined floor space of the operations and equipped with state-of-the-art technology. The manufacturing facility is equipped with world-class advanced machinery. Technology is backed by professional engineers and highly skilled workforce. The innovative approach, the technical expertise and the experience over the years has contributed to the consistent growth of the company. Our professional and experienced technicians and skilled workforces meticulously monitors the various stages of manufacturing process like extrusion, beaming, weaving and inspection. Etex has its own separate and an exclusive coloring plant master batch facility. Employs advanced computerized equipment and chemicals to create any shade of colors. The coloring facility is well capable of creating the exact color shade by choosing the right pigments to match the client's requirement. The company also has its own another separate facility to produce paper tubes for packing of carpet backing. The company, besides monitoring the production process, also carries out the visual inspection of finished products for defects to ensure the end product meets the criteria of international standards. Our policy of adoption and time-to-time upgrading of technology backed by professional technical teams steered the company to success year after year. Etex is striving to excel in delivering world-class product to its customer. In this perspective, Etex journey has crossed several milestones and emerged as one of the largest carpet backing manufacturing companies outside the USA and Europe. Adherence to quality resulted in delivering the fault-free product to the world market. Etex manufacturing excellence and innovation and the unmatched customer service has earned ISO 9001 and 2000 certification confirming international standards. The company's present production capacity has reached more than 500 million square meters of primary and secondary carpet backing are produced annually. The company's logistics department takes care of order processing, production plan and delivery schedule to ship the consignments to customers worldwide in time. The company currently exports its product to all major countries in the world. Eastern Textile Company is in the forefront of carpet backing manufacturing segment and always being on par with quality. Etex is the place where your search ends for carpet backing.